it's not on the page, then what is it? Well, then the next thing that happens is we give you a scale to play. Well, you can use this scale. You can use these notes. And if you play any of these notes, it'll sound good. Or you can play this blues scale, which is very important to know too. But usually when beginner improvisers start to improvise, they just play the scale. They just run the scale up and they run the scale down. I know I did the same thing when I first started trying to work on scales and things like that. But I think what the missing element here, most of the time when you start improvising, is you don't think, our tendency as human beings is to not think rhythmically. We're thinking about what note am I going to play? And then it's like, what note am I going to play next? So you're thinking about these fingerings. And you want to get away from thinking about fingerings. Quickest way you can get away from thinking about the fingerings, the better. And use your ear and express as if you were singing. Okay? So how do I do that? How do I feel like I'm singing when I'm playing an instrument? I'm not saying you're actually using your vocal cords. You're not. I'm saying you're playing your instrument, but it's coming out. It's coming out from inside of you as if you were singing, because you know the fingering so well that you don't have to think about the fingerings. So you know the scale so well you don't have to think about the scale. So if you're going to work on improvising over D minor, D minor. If you don't know what that is, then you can find out later. Minor scale. That's the first 5 notes of a D minor scale, right? Major scale would sound like this. Right? You all know that sound? Well, minor, you just flat the third. So D minor, or trumpet, it's E minor. So let's say we're going to play in the key of D minor concert, and those are the first 5 notes that you have to work with. So most of the time when people start to improvise, they just run the scale. I'm going to play a little play-along thing here. That's not it. We're slow it down.
I can't get the light.
So this is D minor. So most of the time when people start improvising, they just run the scale. Okay, that's kind of what happens. You notice there was no rhythm to what I was doing.